Want to instantly grab shopper attention without changing your entire layout? Add stunning product badges and boost clicks in seconds. With ShopLentor's Product Badges module, you can easily add bold, beautiful labels like new, sale, or out of stock. No coding required. It's the fastest way to highlight deals, catch the eye, and drive more conversions. Here's how it works. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules, and enable Product Badges. Click Add New Badge. Choose between text or image badges. Customize the font, colors, size, and padding. Select where it appears, top left, bottom right, or even custom positions. Want more control? Show badges only on sale items, out-of-stock products, or specific categories. Apply badges to all products, or just a select few. Exclude any product with a click. Stack multiple badges if needed, and delete with a single tap. Now let's go over how to add a product badge logo to your products. First, click to add a new badge. Enter a badge title, then select the badge type as image. Next, upload your badge logo image. Customize the remaining settings, like badge position, conditions, selecting specific products, or excluding certain products. Once done, save your changes. Make promotions pop. Guide buyers visually, increase urgency and click-through rates. Enhance your store's credibility and UX instantly. Ready to turn more browsers into buyers? Activate the Product Badges module in ShopLentor Pro today. Stand out, sell faster, and create a store that shoppers love to click through. Let your products speak louder with badges that convert. Thank you.